are Group 7, student of Viva IMS. We are here to explain about basis of market segmentation.
Firstly, what is market segmentation? Market segmentation is the process of dividing a heterogeneous market into a homogeneous subunits. For instance, segmentation involves subdividing markets, channels, or customers into groups with different needs to deliver tailored propositions which meet these needs as precisely as possible. Market segmentation is divided into four types. They are: first, geographic segmentation; second, demographic segmentation; third, behavioral segmentation; and last but not the least, psychographic segmentation. Now let's go to the detailed explanation of segmentation. First, geographic segmentation. If the market segmentation is based on geographic units, it is called geographic segmentation. Geographic segmentation defined as a market segmentation strategy whereby the intended audience for a given product is divided according to the geographic units such as nations, states, regions, countries, cities, or neighborhood.
Hey, come outside and play. It's snowing out and we don't work today. Oh, tuck that smile into that coat and you won't feel a bit of cold. And I'll put on my hat and gloves, and in the snow we'll fall in love. Oh, me and you are gonna get along as long as you
Wrap up some style with Old Navy hoodies for the whole family, starting at $15.
वो दिखाना जरा।
पम्मी
है जी।
थोड़ा लंबा नहीं है?
डिटर्जेंट पाउडर में धुलेगा तो सिकुड़ के आप पे चाड़ीदार छत्ती हो जाएगा।
कुछ करो ना पम्मी।
ला, इतना इजी है क्या?
इजी नहीं है तो ले आओ ना। गोदरेज इजी डिटर्जेंट लिक्विड। इसका पीएच न्यूट्रल फॉर्मूला गर्म कपड़ों को रखे 5 गुना ज्यादा सुरक्षित। सिकुड़न नहीं, कपड़े रहे नए जैसे।
गर्म कपड़ों की देखभाल अब इजी है जी।
आपकी लाइफ भी इजी हो गई ना पापा।
गोदरेज इजी डिटर्जेंट लिक्विड।
Second, demographic segmentation. Demographic segmentation consists of dividing the markets into groups based on variables such as age, gender, family size, income, occupation, education, religion, race, and nationality. The variables of demographic segmentation are: age. Consumer needs and wants change with age, although they may still wish to consume the same types of product. So marketers design, package, and promote products differently to meet the wants of different age groups. Let's see the examples of different age groups, that are infants, youngsters, and old people. Gender. Gender segmentation is widely used in consumer marketing. The best examples are clothing, hairdresser, razors, magazines, and cosmetics. Income. Many companies target affluent consumers with luxury goods and convenience services, etc. By contrast, many companies focus on marketing products that appeal directly to consumers with relatively low income. Income is divided in three parts, that is, low income, middle income, and high income. Occupation. Occupation affects standard of living of people, which in turn reflects in their buying behavior. The examples of occupation are farmer, businessman, and teaching. Third, behavioral segmentation. Behavioral segmentation is used by marketers who wish to market to a particular type of buyer. This type of buyer is segmented by their knowledge of particular product, their uses of product, and responses to certain product. This practice in marketing has proven valuable to many marketers as they find more about the customer needs other than the just customer potential. The variables of behavioral segmentation are: occasions. When occasion comes, consumer tends to buy occasion related products. Example: Archie's Gallery cards, Cadbury celebrations for Diwali.
You stupid! You stupid! You silly! You fool! I wish I never had a stupid brother like you. And then Archie's got from you. Mommy, when will Bhaiya come back from boarding? You are mine.
User status comprises of non-users, ex-users, potential users, first-time users, and regular users. Loyalty status includes hardcore, split, shifting, switchers. First, hardcore. Hardcore are those people who are brand loyal. Second, split. Split are those people who use one or two brands only. Third, shifting. Shifting are those people who are continuously change their brands. Last are the switchers, people who are not brand loyal at all. Fourth, psychographic segmentation. It is a method of dividing market on the basis of psychology, lifestyle and habits of customers. It is the marketers and the sellers of product and commodities who use this technique in order to decide their marketing strategies. Marketing a product requires deep understanding of the customer psychology along with the needs in order for the product to be accepted. The variables of psychographic segmentation are: first, lifestyle, second, personality, and third, habits. First, lifestyle. In lifestyle, people use products according to their incomes and status. Second, personality. In personality, people choose products which suits their personality and status. Third, habits. People have certain habits which reflects in their buying behavior. Example, alcohol and cigarettes.